Welcome to our channel, where we bring you all sorts of eye-opening content. We've got some fun stuff for you today. This is a test to see how good your eyes are. We bet you can't do it in under 2 minutes. Ready? Let's get into it. Which one is the real picture? Take a look at these 4 pictures. It's only one of them is real. The other 3 are fake. Which one do you think is real and why? You can pause the video if you want to take a closer look. Are you sure about your answer? Then let's move on. The real photo was number 3. The other 3 were made up. Only one of these houses is real. The rest have been digitally altered. Do you know which one is real? Pause the video if you want to investigate further. It's an impossible task to know for sure. There is no way to tell for certain because the image doesn't give any clues. It's a trick question. Therefore, there is no right or wrong answer. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter A. Can you name that? Pause the video here if you want to take a closer look. It's the antenna of the TV. What comes next? It's time for another round. Spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter B. What is it? Take a good look and try to make it out. Pause the video here if you like. What do you think? Is it the bike in the background? Bike? It is. Well done. 1 down, 2 to go. This is your last chance. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter C. Can you name that? Pause the video here if you would like to. It's the cloud in the corner. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. How many dots? Look at this colorful arrangement of dots. How many do you see? Take your time and count them up. Pause the video here if you need to. Are you ready? Well, don't move because we're going to show you the answer. There are actually only 8 dots. How did you do? So let us know in the comments below. Which option is correct? Here's a simple one. Which line is longer? Line A or line B? Pause the video if you need to investigate further. It's obviously line B. Line A is shorter. Now what about this one? Is line A longer or shorter than line B? Let's see. Pause the video here if you want to be sure. They're exactly the same length. But wait, there's more. Yes. Is line C longer or shorter than line D? Take a look. Pause the video here if you want to be sure. They're also the same length. Now what about this pair? Is line E longer or shorter than line F? Pause the video here if you want to compare them more closely. Again, they're exactly the same length. Well done. What number comes next? Here's a simple pattern. Can you figure out what comes next? Pause the video here if you need to. Are you ready? The answer is 7. Each number increases by 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3 2 equals 5, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. Do you know the rule? Try this one. What number comes next in the sequence? I'll pause the video here if you need to. The answer is 9. The sequence is increasing by 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 7 plus 3 equals 10. And finally, what number comes next? Pause the video here if you want to take your time. The answer is 8. The sequence is increasing by 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 10 plus 4 equals 14. How did you do? Spot the difference? We bet you can't spot the 5 differences between these 2 pictures. Take a look and see if you can figure them out. Pause the video here if you want to take a closer look. Still can't see them? Here's a hint. Look at the details. Okay, still can't see them? The answer's in the clouds? No, not the clouds. Look again. It's the butterfly. Okay, now that we have your attention, what are the 4 other differences? Pause the video here if you need to. So the butterfly is now a moth. The water is no longer stagnant. There is a bird in the sky. The plant has grown, and there are now 2 trees instead of 1. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. What color's the house?
White.
We're bare. I'm the one where Blue or white? Pause the video here if you need to. Are you sure about your answer? Let us tell you that there is no right answer. When the dress was posted online a few years ago, people couldn't agree on what the color was. Some people saw a blue and black dress, while others saw white and gold. Actually, the dress was never blue and black. It was white and gold. It's just that some people's brains were tricking them. Our brains are wired to see colors based on the amount of light around us. That's why in bright light, the dress appears white and gold, but in dim light, the dress appears black and blue. How about this one? What color is the circle in the center? Is it red or gray? Pause the video here if you need to. Again, there is no right answer. It's a trick question. The square in the middle is black. The reason why it looks like it could be red is because of the brightness of the squares around it. So technically the square is black, but it can appear different shades of gray, depending on its surroundings. How about this one? Is the dot in the center white or yellow? Pause the video here if you need to. The dot is white. This time, we included a right answer. It was yellow. How long is the vertical line? In this optical illusion, the vertical line is actually 12 centimeters long. However, due to the surrounding context, it appears to be different lengths. For example, in the first image, it appears to be much shorter, while in the second image, it appears to be much longer. It's all about context. How long do you think the line is? Pause the video here if you need to measure it. Now let's compare your guess to the actual length. The line is actually 12 centimeters long. How close were you? Let us know in the comments below. How long is the green line? We bet you won't be able to guess this one. Take a good look at the image and try to determine how long the green line is. Pause the video here if you need to investigate further. Are you ready? The green line is actually 7 centimeters long. How close was your guess? Let us know in the comments below. Can you finish the pattern? Here's your last chance to redeem yourself. Can you figure out what comes next in this pattern? Pause the video here if you need to. Are you sure about your answer? The correct answer is that the pattern continues on the other side. So it's actually a t-shirt with a collar. How about this one? Pause the video here if you want to investigate further.
Yes.
The red line continues behind the blue rectangle. And finally, what comes next? Pause the video here if you want to be sure. It's actually a vase with flowers. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. How good is your eyesight? Let us know in the comments below how many you got right. If you got 12 or 13 correct, you have the eyesight of an eagle. 9 to 11 correct, you have pretty good eyesight. 6 to 8 correct, you need to get your eyes checked. And less than 6 correct, we suggest you stay away from smartphones and screens for a while. We bet you didn't realize just how good or bad your eyes are until you took this test. These visual puzzles are not only fun, but they also help us understand how our brains process what we see. So don't worry if your eyesight isn't as sharp as you'd hoped. Just remember that everyone's eyes are different, and that's what makes each of us unique. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.